Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 795 Munson Crescent in Cobourg. This lovely 4-bedroom bungalow is situated on a great area, close to schools, shopping, and a real short drive to the Cobourg waterfront. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the living and dining areas. It's open to the bright eat-in kitchen with a walkout. The primary bedroom has a 3-piece ensuite. The main level has 2 additional bedrooms and a 4-piece bath. The lower level has an extra large rec room, a bedroom, a 3-piece bath, and a laundry room. A great feature is the private backyard with a large deck and a gate to the walking trail.